System.out.println. System.out.println is a programming code that gives instructions to the computer to print something out. System refers to computer, and when it becomes system.out, it pertains to monitor, which is output device of the computer system. The next word println, read as print line, is built in Java method that controls printing computer messages. Overall, the line of code is what it refers to println method call. Semicolon in Java. All programming statements are to be executed in Java end with a semicolon. User input in Java. Getting the user input. There is a built-in class called scanner class in Java language to easily get the user input. What it does, it acquires information from the input stream, either from keyboard or a file, and stores it in a variable. However, the scanner class is not part of core Java language, so you need to tell the compiler where to find it. For you to use this, you need to include this line of code at top of your program, just after the prologue section. Line is import java.util.scanner. Because of this statement, import java util.scanner, which you write at the beginning of program, the scanner class is being imported from java.util package. To call or execute this class in the program, you need to use the following statement: scanner input variable name is equal to new scanner system.in. So basically, here we are creating an object. Now let us discuss about this program. Here, imported class scanner was called to initialize a variable called input variable name. This is followed by assignment operator is equal to, that is in turn followed by programming code new scanner system.in. This expression creates an object and commands the program to store value of the user input to input variable name. Please take Please take note of the coding convention in variable naming. First letter of the words are always capitalized. For us to utilize output stream to show what you have typed in the program, we need to include the following printout statement: system out println input variable name dot next line. The method next line is included here that will instruct the program to return a string value that was inserted into current line. It also tells the program to wait until it finishes searching for an input. So the program will not advance until you type something and press enter on the keyboard. Let us further modify println statement by including additive operator. Now here we are typing system out println you entered, then input variable name, next line. The introduction of user input as described on this chapter had presented Java environment as two-way form of communication between the software programmer